guys, happy new year. So I was actually this close of not making this video. Anyways, मैं बहुत सालों से actually सोच रही थी that I want to make my own version of Rewind. And yeah, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि साल में मैंने कुछ इतना interesting नहीं किया, you know, as compared to the big bloggers. Yeah, in this one I have just added all my special moments that I felt like adding. Yeah, today is basically the last day of 2020. It's also my grandfather's birthday today, and yeah, last year का जो हुआ था I can't forget. Well, if you don't know, last year मेरे grandfather का 75th birthday था. And we had the biggest celebration ever. और उसका मतलब वीडियो मैंने कभी अपलोड ही नहीं किया. I mean, that is the most saddest thing I even feel right now. So I think it was because मेरा आधा वीडियो already ready था, but there were some clips that I was supposed to get from most of my relatives. वो नहीं मिले. बहुत ही postpone हो गया, and then I felt like there's no point of uploading this video. But yeah, here is my rewind. So go and check it out. It's a small video, and I hope you like it. दिस इज अ पार्सल जो अभी आया अमेजोन से. इट इज अ रिंग लाइट. तो देखते इज इट वर्थ.
So here we go.
Wow! I do not know why am I making this video, even though it is 12th standard का farewell. But you know what I thought कि मैंने last 2 farewell videos बनाए थे, which was in my school. And if I make it now, because we are the 11th graders, so हम लोग 12th standard के farewell के लिए we contribute, तो we are special. Right now my sir is in the class and still I'm vlogging. आधा क्लास पूरा खाली है. Most of the people they have gone for gift wrapping for the 12th standard. Bye, fruity. Bye. Okay, good morning guys. So today is the 14th of Feb, Valentine's. So let me tell you finally what is the plan for today. तो plan है कि मैं और अमर आज केक बनाने वाले हैं. Carrot cake.
Now, last but not the least,
Carrot. Removed our cake. It's cooled down and it looks brown and beautiful. Today is a real special day. It's really a special day. So recently हमारे family में a new angel is born. So she is my cousin sister. Now we are on our way to Gurdwara. वहाँ पे उसकी आज naming ceremony है. Congratulations to everyone. नाम पता चल गया है. मुझे पता नहीं था, मुझे भी एंड में पता चला that her name is Prisha and I'm really happy for her. It's a really good name. Everyone are really happy. हमारे डॉग के टॉपिक के बारे में पापा से बात नहीं करनी है. Let him know what is today. So guess what? He told Amar he said that he wanted a head massage and he told Amar that if you don't give me head massage then we will not go in the evening where you wanted to go book the dog and all that.
तो नहीं कि पहले मतलब उसको बुक करने का नहीं हो जाएगा. उस टाइम में हम ढूंढना स्टार्ट करेंगे. अभी
जो ही दरवाजा बंद करके रखना and whoever comes just don't open it.
8:30 in the morning right now और मेरी पूरी फैमिली बाहर गई है for some very private reason.
So the plans are we'll order from McDonald's. We will do a party. We will
पहले बोलना सीख. This is my 3rd time recording because every time I got distracted or someone came from behind. या तो ये जानवर है पीछे. So I thought why not let's curl my hair. Actually curl my hair yesterday when I went to see the movie Bhoot, which was really amazing.
Every time that I tell you how I feel and how
Hi, happy Holi. I know it's been a while since I didn't make video, but so this is what is this called? Dhokla. This is jalebi. I don't know what is this thing called. अभी भी नहीं आ रहा. There's only 5 minutes left for 5 o'clock वो जनता कर्फ्यू. and देखो चलो बाहर जाते हैं क्योंकि 2 मिनट. I think so the bell has rung. And guess what? हम लोग को छुट्टियां हो गई है. Colleges and schools and gyms, swimming pools, theaters, everything has been locked down in Mumbai. हम लोग एक dusty चीज़ करने वाले. We are going to do cleaning. I don't know why my dad told that अभी cleaning रहने दो. because of coronavirus. Yeah, and one more thing. कल रात को because it's quarantine और रात को कोई 10 बजे तो 11 बजे कोई सोता नहीं है, तो I and my mummy we tried out tie-dye t-shirt, and so now I'm gonna show you because I can't show you from selfie camera. So this is how it looks, and now mummy अपना part का भी recording करना चाहती है, which is on time lapse. In the past I've colored my hair. The same color I'm going to use is Streaks Garnier ka. This works best, and this is Vibrant Blonde. So I will wait for almost 45 minutes, and अरे बाप रे 45 minutes पता नहीं क्या करूँगी, शायद पढ़ाई कर लूँगी. What's up? And I'm back. हाँ, ये थोड़ा बहुत ओम्ब्रे दिख रहा है, like नीचे नीचे yes it is, but it's not what I thought. तो आज I am doing, yes you heard it right, because hello, you called me? You called me na? I know you don't know me, but you called me. Why did you call? Hello, listen. Listen, I'm Juhi. I pranked you, yaar. Mr. Prime Minister had addressed the nation ki aaj, that is the 5th of April, every Indian has to either put a lamp or a diya or your phone flashlights at sharp 9 o'clock. We are also doing one of that thing, which is banana ice cream. Banana chocolate ice cream. Just been doing these few things, which was attend my online class, do my assignments, work out, eat, repeat. Yes, the day of the cyclone which is coming in Mumbai. Within the last 30 minutes, and that is the reason why I'm making a video. Tree just fell into my building and it caused damage. Okay, so I don't know if you can see clearly because the droplets are falling.
4, I'll go 2 here and 2 I'll kill here.
Hey, no.
घर पे है, and this person is laughing like hell because both his whatever killed me.
Now I'll kill.
You will not kill me because I'll kill you now. Gone. I'm the losing only this game. So I am going to be making a vlog about free gift that I got yesterday. I'm really happy that I'm turning 17 and I got a good present. So yeah, it's all matte and this is where it starts. So this is my, what do you call, lock screen or something. This is my great grandmother. This is me. This is my chotu sa brother, and these are my 2 favorite cousins. Better
I
than
feel
like cutting
green
it.
looks very sharp. Finally.
Time is
Okay, so I have no explanation about that clip in which I told all of that. But yeah, this thing happened right the day after my mom cut her hair.
What did you prank?
Happy birthday to you. Arey gao.
Happy birthday.
Papa has done a lot of hard work.
Oh
I
my
have
god,
done a lot of.
hard work. Oh, I know what is it. You gave in the kitchen. Apple.
जरा साइन दिखा दो ना एप्पल का.
Apple. Newspaper.
That I am adopting a cat today, and Papa gonna go and collect the cat. Okay, have. You have. Guys, happy Raksha Bandhan.
Fried katli.
काजू कतली
आज तो जोक मत कर, बी सीरियस टुडे.
12 बजेंगे, हम लोग उसे जाके जगाएंगे, एक सरप्राइज दे देंगे. एक्चुअली कुछ प्रिपेयर तो नहीं किया.
Happy birthday.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
सत श्री अकाल जी, सत श्री अकाल.
Always excited for Halloween, but as you know, India में इतना उस Halloween का popularity नहीं. This, but it's just like too easy. Let's see, agar next year we can try something more common. It is the blue and purple color.
On my own, I have never been to beauty parlor.
Today we decided to do something different, na?
Such occasion coming.
We planned this yesterday. Okay. Vibrant hoga. I still have my blondes. As you can see, there is blue over here. I'm loving the blue actually. But still, I think so. It's okay. I know I thought ombre, but मुझे पता था वैसे होगा नहीं. So why you have clicked on this video is that yeah, I opened a small business. That's what is written. Yes, I've opened a small business. But first thing, like finally, I'm so happy that I'm doing what I love. Was that correct English? I don't know, but probably you must have understood. The link to my Instagram account is in the description below. Also my main account, also my cat's account. So you better follow those three. But आज का जो video है upon my small business, मेरे को नहीं करना था, but then if I regret that decision, it's gonna be really bad. Then I thought, why not? Let's color it once again. I don't know. This is probably gonna be the last time. I'm saying this last time, but I don't. So yeah, we're gonna do it blue color today. It's fine, okay? I won't do it next time, okay? I mean, I'm liking it so far. So yes, if you liked my craziness once again of just dyeing my hair, it is like I was waiting for this day for almost a month now. ऐसा लग रहा है I just went yesterday to the hospital to meet Prisha, and today she's like 1 year old.
Fair and lovely. I believe in doing very simple makeup. मुझे frankly speaking आजकल जो girls होते हैं blenders use करते हैं ना, मुझे नहीं जमता.
Okay, so actually हमें बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ेगा. Yeah, that was it. That was my rewind. These were all the special moments that I came through, and I felt like these should be included in my rewind. Yeah, today I'm also making a video for my grandfather, which I'm not going to tell you now. If you liked it a lot, then please like, subscribe and share. So Rusty एकदम मेरे सामने बैठा है, तो it's going to be his also first New Year, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, that's it. और कुछ मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं you also have a happy New Year, and I hope जो अगला साल आने वाला it's better, because we humans have gone through a lot this year. Many people have lost their lives, their near ones. And I don't know, I just don't really want to talk about this anymore. आज last day, I just want to be happy and think about the next time. बहुत लोग ऐसा बोल भी रहे थे that 2020 इतना खुश मत हो. It's not like what you expect. But if you believe it's going to be good, it's going to be good. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Like, share and comment whatever you feel like. And yeah, that's it. Bye.